Hey everybody, Johnny here. Today I will be showing you how to make this very cute Minecraft pillowcase. I don't know if anybody else out there has any little kids in their lives that love playing Minecraft, but I sure know that I do and several of my friends and family do. So today I will do a tutorial on how to make a very cute, very easy, beginners could do it, Minecraft pillowcase. Let's get started. Step 1 is to press your fabric. You want to make sure you iron everything out so that you're working with the straightest, smoothest fabric possible when it comes time to cut. Also, when it comes time to cut, I will be giving the measurements of what I do, but you will also be able to find them in the description section of the YouTube video, because I know it's a lot of information coming at you pretty quickly. So when it comes time to cut, you want to make sure you clean up your edges. That way you can ensure that you're getting the best straight cut you can get. For this main blue body of the pillowcase, I cut 27 inches across from selvage to selvage. For this green border of the pillowcase, I'm cleaning up the ends and then I'm cutting 9 inches across selvage to selvage. For this last little yellow piping strip, I'm cutting about 4 inches because it's going to get folded in half, which is going to give you about a 2-inch pipe. Once I cut, I make sure to press my fabric again, because the border, this green part, and also the yellow piping part get folded in half before they get sewn. So they go from 9 inches to 4.5 inches for the green, and 4 inches of the yellow to 2 inches for the yellow, as you can see here. Then it's time to pin and sew things together. I'm going to end up sewing the yellow part to the green part first, and I want to make sure I match up the frayed edges together so that at the end of the whole thing, you're going to see that the border and the piping have this beautiful sort of rounded edge to them. I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and a straight stitch. Super easy peasy. Lots of great straight stitching. All in all, these pillowcases, if you're a super beginner, they take a bit longer, but from start to finish with pressed and cut fabric, 20 minutes, half an hour maybe. I'm a bit slower than some other people because I really enjoy slowing down for the process, but it's a quick project. Next, as you can see, I'm taking the frayed edges of the piping and the border, and I'm now pinning it and clamping it into place with the body of the pillow. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to sew exactly the same way you did, 1/4 inch seam allowance of a straight stitch, just attaching the piping and the border to the body of the pillow. You'll be able to see, right now I'm actually going to also do a 1/4 inch zigzag stitch just to make sure that, as time goes on, things don't separate if this is a pillow for a kid in the wash or what have you. So you can see what I mean. You fold over the border and the piping and it gives you these beautiful rounded edges. You're going to press it together just so you can make sure it came out the way that you wanted it to, and it looks great. Now you're going to fold right sides together long ways, like the shape of a pillowcase, so that you fold the sides in together for both of the piping. You'll have green on green, yellow on yellow, blue on blue, and then you're just going to pin and you're going to sew it all the way around, making sure that you do not sew together the top. You need to be able to put the pillow into the pillowcase. And when I first started doing projects like this, I swear I messed up. So I'm trying to save you the headache that I had. Then once everything is sewn together, straight stitches, same thing, 1/4 inch seam allowance. You're just gonna trim off all the excess, which is going to make it a lot easier to flip your pillow inside out in order to use it as the pillowcase. And as you can see, that's it. So there you have it. Hand sewn, DIY, easy peasy lemon squeezy Minecraft pillowcase for the Minecraft fan in your life. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, comment at Johnny the Girl on all social media and at www.johnnythegirl.com. Thanks for tuning in.